Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
63% of all boys ages 11 to 20 who are arrested for murder have killed the man who was assaulting their mother. Saudi Prince Al-Walid owns a diamond-encrusted Rs 312 crore Mercedes and he charges Rs 1 lakh just to touch it. The Cristiano Ronaldo has been named the world's most charitable sports star. The pain that women experience while giving birth is considered to be similar to getting burned alive. Fine of Rs 60,000 will be charged from men who whistle or vulgar comments at women in France. A recent study suggests that sleeping for more than 10 hours a day can increase the risk of death by up to 41%. Dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than they love themselves. Life at minus 50 degrees in Yakutia, Russia. Li-Fi is 100 times faster than Wi-Fi and use light instead of radio frequency. Bhutan became the first nation banned the sale of tobacco. Banana is a happy fruit. Eating just one can help relieve irritable emotion, anger, and depression. There are only 2 people in the entire world that know the exact secret formula for Coca-Cola, and they never allowed to fly in the same airplane. Harry Patch, the last surviving soldier of World War I, died aged 111 years, 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day. You can't breathe in when you laugh. The pine berry is a white strawberry which tastes like a pineapple and white coloring with red seeds. According to study, most of the people hate their own voice on video or on a phone call. Norway will allow any student from anywhere in the world to study at their public universities completely free of charge. Approximately 1 in every 2,000 to 3,000 babies is born with webbed fingers or toes, making this a fairly common condition. New York is building this U-shaped skyscraper. This is so big that a plane can easily go through it. Iceland has no army and is also recognized as the world's most peaceful country. It took $7.5 million to build Titanic and $200 million for the movie. Virat Kohli is the only Indian athlete to own a private jet. All of China's railway lines put together could loop around the earth twice. A man named Chris Ronald from Pennsylvania was accidentally credited $92 quadrillion by PayPal and was the richest man in the world for 2 minutes. Father who beat man to death for raping his 4-year-old daughter faces no charges in Texas. This is Hamza Bendelat, hacked 217 banks and made 4,000 million USD, donated everything to Africa and Palestine. He was executed with smile. All birds find shelter during rain, but eagle avoid rain by flying above the cloud. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference, said by APJ Abdul Kalam. Extremely high doses of caffeine can cause you to hallucination, hear imaginary voice, and sense the presence of dead people. Lamborghini was found when Ferrari founder Enzo Ferrari insulted Ferran Lamborghini, calling him a tractor mechanic who knows nothing about cars. This is a book that is over 800 years old, 3 feet tall and almost 2 feet thick. It is known as a Devil's Bible.